Imagine a race across the world. Who would win? Let's meet some super speedy animals. First, the peregrine falcon. Diving from the sky, it can reach over 200 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Next, the cheetah. On land, it's the fastest. It can run up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts. Imagine trying to catch it. Now, let's dive into the sea. The sailfish is incredibly quick. It can swim up to 70 miles per hour. That's like zooming through the water. What about birds that fly fast? The frigate bird is a master of the skies. It can fly up to 95 miles per hour. It barely flaps its wings. Don't forget the springbok. This antelope can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour. It leaps and bounds across the plains. The black marlin is another ocean speedster. It can swim up to 82 miles per hour. It's like a torpedo in the water. The gray-headed albatross is a soaring champion. It can fly at speeds of 70 miles per hour. It glides effortlessly over the ocean. The swordfish is also a fast swimmer. It can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour. It uses its sword-like bill to hunt. Even the humble dragonfly is speedy. It can fly up to 35 miles per hour. It zips and zooms through the air. So, who's the winner? Each animal is fastest in its own way. Nature is full of amazing speedsters.